Chateaucore Kitchen Vintage Appliances, Floral Patterns and Rustic Charm Decor Ideas 2025. Step into a kitchen where time slows down and elegance reigns. In this video, explore Chateaucore kitchen decor ideas for 2025, where vintage charm, floral aesthetics, and rustic elegance come together to create a warm, romantic cooking space. Whether you're remodeling, decorating, or simply dreaming, this video offers inspiration for anyone who loves the timeless beauty of French countryside interiors. What is Chateaucore? Chateaucore is an interior design trend inspired by the romantic grandeur of French chateaux. Think vintage details, antique finishes, and floral elegance. In the kitchen, this translates to a cozy, refined space filled with pastel tones, delicate patterns, and heirloom-quality accents. Chateaucore combines the best of old-world rustic charm with elegant vintage details, creating a space that feels both nostalgic and luxurious. What you'll find in this video: vintage-style appliances in cream, pastel blue, or mint green finishes. Open wooden shelving with stacked floral dishware and copper cookware. Floral wallpaper and patterned tile backsplashes for romantic detail. Rustic farmhouse sinks, apron front and deep basin designs. Carved wood cabinets with distressed paint finishes in muted tones. Antique-style lighting. Wrought iron chandeliers, glass pendant lamps. Linen curtains and lace window dressings. Classic marble or butcher block countertops. French cottage dining nooks with vintage tables and mismatched chairs. Fresh herbs and flower bouquets displayed on countertops or hanging racks. Chateaucore kitchen styling tips. Mix antique with functionality. Use modern appliances that have vintage finishes. Choose soft, romantic colors. Go for creams, light pinks, sage green, or dusty blue. Incorporate real wood, exposed beams, butcher block counters, or raw wood cabinets. Decorate with florals. Use floral wallpaper, curtains, dishware, and even upholstery. Add rustic charm. Include copper pans, cast iron details, and ceramic storage jars. Keep it cozy. Add vintage rugs, cushions, and layered lighting for warmth. Display your kitchenware. Use open shelving or glass front cabinets for charm and function. Who this video is for: homeowners renovating or remodeling their kitchens in 2025. Fans of cottagecore, vintage, or French farmhouse design. Interior design lovers who adore floral and romantic aesthetics. DIY decorators looking for elegant kitchen inspiration. Creators of warm, storybook-style interiors. Support the channel. Like this video if you love timeless and romantic kitchen designs. Comment below. Which Chateaucore element is your favorite? Subscribe for more vintage, modern, and trending interior design ideas. Share this video with someone who dreams of a French countryside kitchen.